Hey guys, as we get ready to take our class online, you guys are already accustomed to Google Classroom, and we're going to stick with Google Classroom. We're not going to be changing a whole lot. I'm not throwing anything new specifically at you. We're going to have a discussion each week, and then we'll go from there. So you'll have a discussion and a project that you'll be working on throughout this time. I'm planning worst case scenario, just so you guys know. Hopefully we're not like this for the rest of the school year, but my projects are set up so that should the worst case scenario be that we're like this for the rest of this school year, we'll be able to pick this up. Now, when we get back into the classroom, hopefully sooner than later, we're going to continue this process. I think this is a great project that I've got going that I'm going to introduce you to, and I think it's a great way for you to decide what you want to do when it comes down to your ultimate grade at the end of the year. I'm not focusing on grades right now. I'm focusing on just participation, projects, creativity, and having fun while you're doing it. I want us to have fun right now. It can be stressful, so I want you to have fun with whatever project you decide to work on, and we're going to go through that in a minute. So first things first, group discussions. Take a look at Google Classroom every Monday. I'm going to have a question or a post or a topic, and I'd like you to write one initial response to the discussion on the board there. Okay, so have that by Wednesday. We should have one post taken care of there. By the end of the week, I'd like you to respond to one of your classmates' initial posts. So someone will respond to you, like add a comment, add to what they've written. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What are your thoughts about their response to that? Okay. So we're going to have an open discussion there. Are you running into an issue with a problem? Do you have a problem with an app? Like, are you using Filmora Go and you're running into an issue? Or are you using an app and you found something really cool and you'd like to share that with your classmates? By all means, post that. Okay. In fact, I'll probably create a stream called something dealing with the apps. You'll see it when it pops up. So post some issues or some really cool features that you find about an app that you're using that you might want to share with your classmates. Okay. So that's the online discussion. That would be your quote unquote daily progress, if you will. Okay. I'm going to set up a Google Hangouts. You've probably already seen invites go through, some of you. I'm thinking like Wednesday or Thursday. I'd like to set a time and just everybody log into Google Hangouts. I'm going to do it for each class. And we'll just meet up on Google Hangouts and see how we're doing, just to kind of catch up. See if you have any questions about school or not school or whatever it is. We're just to have a short discussion. Just to check in and see how we're all doing as a class, okay? And then finally, our project. What is our project? What's our activity? What are we going to do? I call it Menu for Success. Menu for Success is basically this. You have two options. You're going to create a 1 to 2 minute narrative, or you're going to create like a promo or an ad piece that's 45 seconds to a minute. So you're going to create one of those two types of projects. It could be a how-to. So your narrative could be a how-to video, that's 1 to 2 minutes long, how to do something or create something. Or you can create a promo ad that's going to, is it a 45 second to a minute promotional advertisement for something or a commercial or whatever the case may be. Okay? So you have 45 seconds to a minute or a 1 to 2 minute video. You're going to go through the whole production process, and I'll have a checklist for you on Google Classroom. It's a Google form, and it will actually help you. It's set up to help you add up all of the points, so you know how many points are expected for each project. Each step has a point value, and then once you're done and you submit your video, the type of video that you submit, so if you're creating a promo or a commercial, the 45 second to a minute, that's an additional 75 points bonus for submitting that video. So you have the step process in place. And so you'll turn those pieces in. So if you turn in a script, well, that's going to show, yep, I did a script. And then you turn in your storyboard or your AV script, yep, I did a storyboard and AV script. So that tells me, yes, you did those 2 steps. Okay, the rest of it all falls into your final submitted video piece, okay? And once you submit that video piece, it's worth a set of bonus points. So it's 75 points for the short video. It's 75 points for the short video, or 125 points, I believe, for your 1 to 2 minute video, okay? What does that mean? What are the points used for? Well, here's how I've divided it up. If you want to do a bunch of short videos, you could do, I think you'd have to do the math depending on what you do and depending on what you put into the video. You're looking at doing about 4 to 5 short videos, or 4 to 5 short, smaller projects will get you to about 1,100 points. Get you to about 1,000, somewhere around 1,000 points, we'll say. If you do 3 to 4 longer videos, that will get you to 1,000 points. So, do you want to do 4 videos or 5 short ones, or do you want to do a couple bigger projects? So you have the choice of how to do that, and you can mix and match that too. And there's a point breakdown. So ultimately, people are worried about, am I going to get an A, or what am I getting in this class? Well, 1,000 points is an A, 900 points is a B, 800 points is a C, 700 points is a D, and you so on. Okay, so you get that. So if you're one of those people that need a letter value appointed to your grade, I've done that for you. I'm not worried about that right now. I'm using the point system just to kind of give you an idea of the scope or the size of your project. Okay. If you have some questions, by all means, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to. I'm always here. Okay. Reach out to me. I hope you're on my Remind. If not, my Remind information is right here. Make sure you get on my Remind so that I have you here. Call, text, email, message, whatever. I'm always here. Okay. Have no place else to be. So I'm here at my computer working on things, and I'm working on projects as well. But I am here to help you guys out. Okay. Biggest thing, let's just have some fun with this. I know you've got other projects and things from other teachers. Be creative. Get out there. Subjects can be about anything. Okay, the subjects of your projects. What is your day like? We're all stuck and cooped up. Can't really go anywhere. What do you do to pass the time? How do you relieve stress? How do you so you're not stuck in your room all the time, or maybe you are, maybe you enjoy that. But how do you pass the time during this craziness? That might be a cool topic if you want to discuss something like that. That'd be kind of neat. Yeah, just kind of roll with it. But your videos can be about anything you want. Okay? I will create more videos coming forward, and we'll set up Google Hangouts. And I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're all doing well. And I will see you very soon.